my friends, it is Christmas time, and I thought we could share a meaningful moment together celebrating this festive time of year. For me, Christmas is more than twinkling lights and gifts exchanges. It's a time for reflection, for connection, and for celebrating the simple joys that make life beautiful. It is also a time to honor traditions while creating new ones and blending the old with the new in meaningful ways. Every year, as I decorate the tree, there is a special moment that always fills my heart with joy: unwrapping my collection of German handmade Christmas decorations. I've collected them over the years and they've become more than decorations. They are treasures that connect me to the past. Each one reminds me of the rich traditions of Christmas, a celebration of craftsmanship, and the joy of cherishing something made with love. One of my favorite winter activities, besides spending time outside in the snow, decorating the house for Christmas, or spending time with loved ones, is making mulled wine. It takes me back to my time growing up in Germany, walking around beautiful Christmas markets, eating yummy treats, and drinking hot mulled wine while it's cold outside. The aroma of cinnamon, cloves, and oranges fills my kitchen, creating a warmth that almost feels like a hug. It's a simple act, but it reminds me that joy often lives in the little things: the scent of spices, the sound of a simmering pot, and the anticipation of sharing it with someone I love. Today, I'm baking gingerbread cookies, sweet, spicy, and plant-based. As I roll out the dough and cut out each shape, I think about how these little moments shared with family and friends become memories that stay with us long after the last cookie has been eaten. The act of giving, whether it's a homemade treat, a heartfelt note, or simply your time, reminds us of the true meaning of the season. It's about kindness, gratitude, and spreading light in a world that can sometimes feel a little too dark. I hope you find moments to slow down and savor the season, whether it's in a quiet walk through the snow, the laughter of loved ones around you, or the comfort of a warm drink in your hands. May you feel the peace and joy that this time of the year offers. And remember, the greatest gifts we can give don't come wrapped in ribbons, they come from the heart. Thank you for joining me today. Let's celebrate the love, peace, and little moments of joy that make this time of year so special. Merry Christmas and happy holidays from my heart to yours. Until next time, take care of yourself. I wish you happiness, wellness, and joy.